Welcome back to my channel, my dear viewers. Right now, from earlier video I posted, I made it clear that I'll be showing you guys how to swap tokens on Solana blockchain. So on this video now, I'll be showing you the guide on how to trade on Solana blockchain. It's not just about keeping assets in the wallet; it's also about having a place where you swap whatever token you have, be it airdrop, be it you wanting to buy or sell. So I'll be showing you the two popular sites that you can use on Solana blockchain to trade. Those are the two most common ones. If you don't have the token listed on one of the exchange, it will be listed on the other one, which is Orcaa and RAYDIUM. So now I'll be taking you through the website. I'll go to Chrome. So this is my Solana wallet. So now we need to create a new tab. So after creating a new tab, now the next thing I'll be searching is, okay, let's start with RAYDIUM Dex is there, but the site is radium.io. So I'll pick the first one, which is radium.io. So as I've picked radium.io, now you can see this is how RAYDIUM website looks like. On RAYDIUM we have trade, we have yield is for those that farm, we have yield, we have pool where you stake, then accelerator. Okay, they have a launch pad now where you can launch your projects or try to make an IDO to raise funds for a project. That's their accelerator. So now the next thing we need to do is, since we are trying, the main purpose of this tutorial is actually to guide you guys on how to trade on Solana blockchain. So what we need is the trading. This particular one is what we need right now. So I'll click on it to enter exchange, so that we'll see how to use the blockchain. I'll click on enter exchange, so you can see how the exchange looks like. And you need to remember something, just the same way we use Binance Smart Chain, that's BSC BNB, to make to serve as gas fee on Trust Wallet when we are trading BSC tokens. That's the same way we use Solana as gas fee for Solana tokens on these Solana exchanges. So now, to swap anything now, for example, you can check the list of what you have. So you can see these are the list of assets on RAYDIUM. You can see the list of assets here. So this is what you need to do. Just like we have Trust Wallet, where you have contract address, we also have for Solana blockchains, Solana wallet. You can just go to, maybe for example you need to search for a token. You can just wonder, I don't know, let's look for a token that is on coin market. There is a Solana project token. Okay, I think Naxar is here already. Yeah, this is Naxar. It's a Solana token. It's a Solana project. So here we'll look for, this is the contract address. You just copy it. Once you copy, you go back to the tab, go back here, you paste it here, just like we used to do for, you can see it came up with Naxar. So that is how you run every project. So that's Naxar for you. It's just like the same way you know Trust Wallet. Let's say for example you want to buy or sell Naxar. Let's assume we are buying Naxar now with, for example, USDC or something. So The only issue is just that you see most of these Solana Dexes, they are very slow. This is their swap, they are slow, unlike compared to Trust Wallet and the rest. So you can see how this one is. So as it is now, let's assume we want to buy Naxar with USDC. The stable coin that is most common here is USDC, which is this one, the first one. That's USDC. For example, you want to buy 5 USDC, you'll be getting 151 Naxar. Yeah, so that's how it works. So before you even be able to swap, you make sure you connect your wallet first. Connect your wallet. It is very, very key. It is very important. You click on connect wallet. When connecting wallet, you are using a Solana wallet. So what you need to do is you click on Solana Web. We are using Solana Web, so that is what you need to click. Solana Web. So once you click OK down here. OK. Oh, okay. I will need to enter my password. So I've entered my password. So what I'll do next now is to click unlock here. So I'll connect to wallet. So you can see, you now click I understand, add to user token, then confirm. So though I don't have USDC on this wallet, so I have that. Once I input the amount of USDC I want to use to trade, it will bring me its equivalent in Naxar. So as you can see now, this is how it is. All I will just need to do is it would have come up here for me to approve and swap. So once I click here, I'll be able to swap it immediately. So that's that. And if you want to swap back to USDC, you just click this middle arrows, just like other wallets. Click this middle arrow, then you swap Naxar to USDC. So is any other coin, that you want to swap. This is the procedure you use on RAYDIUM.com. Then it's not actually every coin that is listed here, but you can always get them from coin market, or if it's a new project that is just launching newly, you can go to their Telegram handle. Just search for their website, search for their Telegram handle. You see whatever it is you need there. Even if you don't have, you can still just go and chat up the admin, so that it will give you further instruction on what to do. Yeah, so that's that for RAYDIUM. Then we'll have for Orcaa.so. I think it's Orcaa.sa or Orcaa. Okay, let's see though. Let's see. Yeah, so it's Orcaa.so. But the only difference between Orcaa and RAYDIUM is that most times you only find few tokens listed on Orcaa. Meanwhile, they easily launch on Phantom wallet. So now also this one, the first thing you need to do is to connect wallets. Then you connect it to your 09098. Coin 98. You can see coin 98 here. You can see Soles here. You can see Phantom, different wallets. So what we need to do now is we will be using Solet wallet. So Solet wallet is what we need. That's Solet, the second one. The extension is different, but what you need right now is Solet. Click on Solet and say OK. Then we'll unlock wallet again. Let me just keep it unlocked, and let me input my password. So I've inputted my password now. So as you can see, and I'll unlock. So once I unlock, it will be here automatically. So wallet has been connected. let's say for example you want to buy $500 USDC Solana. You can see if you're buying $500 Solana, you will get 5.5, but because I don't have enough USDC of that 500, it's showing me not enough. But actually, if I have enough of that, I would have been able to swap directly from here. So that's Orcaa as well on Solana blockchain. So the only difference is that it's not every token you find on Raydium that you come and find on Orcaa. So these are the tokens we have on Orcaa. So anytime you are asked to buy any Solana token, what you just need to do is go copy the contract address, try it on Raydium, try it on Orcaa, whichever one works fine, but always try Orcaa first, because the charges on Raydium is higher than that of Orcaa. So I feel Orcaa is actually fair compared to, though both of them the charges are fair, but it's just that still one is beyond the other. So that's that for how to use the Solana exchange. We also have others, but I don't want to complicate things for you, so I would like you to work more on these two and see how it goes. As time goes on, we'll be talking about other ones, but for now you should try and stick to this first, learn it and practice it, so that I can get better with the wallet. So thank you very much for watching. If you are a new subscriber, if you are a new viewer, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Also click on the bell sign to turn on notification for my new videos. And may God bless you and your family as you share and like my video with your friends and family. Thank you very much once again. Thank you for watching. Good night. Thank you.